Number 8 calls for comparing 1 over 2 to the power of 1 minus k and seeing if when it's less than 1 over 8. Alright, so first I'm going to write 1 over 8 as 1 over 2 cubed. Alright. Now, it'll be easier if I flip both of these fractions. Take the reciprocal of both sides. And let's see. And we're told k is an integer. Okay, so when I flip these, I just get 2 to the 1 minus k and 2 cubed. Now when you flip the reciprocals, it's going to change the inequality. And I'll come back to that in a moment with a specific example. But you want to flip that. Alright, so now since the bases are the same, I'm really just comparing the exponents. So 1 minus k, I want to know when that is greater than 3. Alright, so if I subtract 1 to the other side, I get negative k is greater than 2. And then if you take both sides and divide by, say, a negative 1, this will also flip the inequality. And again, I'll come back with an example. So this makes it k is less than negative 2. So k is always less than negative 2, therefore quantity b is the larger quantity. Alright, now for an example of the first case where I flipped them. Say, for example, you have 3/4, which is going to be less than 7/8. Alright, because 3/4 is the same as 6/8. So 6/8 is certainly less than 7/8, and if you flip both of them, well then you have 8/6 and 8/7. Well, 8/6 is certainly greater than 8/7, because the larger you make a denominator, the smaller the overall fraction would be. So 8/6 is going to be greater than 8/7. Alright. So that's why I flipped it the first time. The second time, say for example, I have 3 is less than 5. Well, if you divide both sides by a negative 1, you would now have negative 3 and negative 5. But negative 3 is not less than negative 5 on a number line. Negative 3 is actually greater than negative 5 on a number line. So here's your number 9, here's negative 5, and here's negative 3.